sorry to keep bothering you. I'm just trying to figure this out. I don't know why it's not working, but I'm thinking maybe if you go to Student Portal and you click on Gmail, and then it'll prompt you to log in. So you'll log in with her information. I tried to log in as herself just to see what would come up. And so if you log in to Gmail, she actually does not have access to email, but she has access to other things. So if you click on this waffle here and you click on classroom, hopefully this is what should pop up. And here's our class. Or if you click here and then go to classwork and then click on Monday, that's where she should work. But if for some reason the classroom doesn't work again, you can click on the waffle and then click on drive. And I shared something with her, so it should come up right here. This is what I shared with her. So, and then if she just clicks on this, this is her work for today. So she can just go through and work on her assignments for today this way. If this works, I'll just keep sending them to her until you get a laptop from school. But try those ways. And then please let me know. Thank you.